Man of God, deacon, don't use and lose the work for church. That dance, you carry a wine, go party. Instead of her, they deceive her saying a birthday, Christian birthday. Instead of her to dance, go. That girl, husband and wife, they need to see people are heartless. Husband and wife, when they dance their own, that girl, that Shakira, enter their middle. Go use this nurse, rub the king. Man of God, rub it in, that you think he provoked. Come on! Come on, baby! The wife, they tell her, say, only you are hurting me. Turn out! Not waiting, turn out! Now, so they take for church. Running away from that dance is very dangerous. And before I leave this, I will call my big brother Ukwa. I want to say one more thing, which I said yesterday about the ladies, how to discharge them when you depress. When you don't date girl, you tell her say you want to leave and she not really go. Listen to this. I said it yesterday and it's going to help us. No need for you to pursue her. See the trick where you will use. As you tell her, say, go, I don't want to friend you again. She says she not the go, she love you. After 4 years, you don't tire. Invite her from your house. Look for 2 babes, picture way, fine. Fine pictures. Just write good for the picture. Rest in peace, rest in peace. R.O.I.P., R.O.I.P. Invite the girl from your house. I think call your house, think go sit down. Definitely go carry the picture. When they look at him, go call you, Maleke. What is the sign of this? At that time, you get power to talk. You will just carry the picture, look and say, this is my ex-girlfriend now. I dated her for 1 year and she died. This other one is my ex-girlfriend. I used to date girls for 1 year and they normally died. I've not been able to date another girl till I found you. She go wrong. I'm telling you. But that aside, at times it's good when they crack joke, you know, they see audience will correspond. You will just go and foreign so that you will call the next man. No, my brother, me and my brother want to do something. No, I said that me and my brother want to do something. I do one now. Alright. No, we'll go with this time. You never tire. At times when you tire. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think I will come on stage again. Let me call on somebody prominent to the comedy world, entertainment. It's right here. It's one man we respect in Nigeria. It's a hero. And ladies and gentlemen, I think you are going to join me. If the DJ is ready, as I bring on stage, one of the greatest musicians, an actor, a musician, a comedian, as I bring on stage, the greatest one they call